Hello boss. This is top inserted monoblock refrigeration. Let's take a closer look. Very compact design for small cold room. Semi-drain defrost heater equipped. 2 outlet fan for quicker temperature drop. Automatically set up. No installation needed. And allow remote control. Very dense copper fin.